Hi, I'm Mason Moeller.
And I'm Preston Rogers.
And welcome back to your daily video announcements.
Today's lunch is a grilled cheese sandwich, chicken noodle soup, chips, carrots, celery, fruit cocktail, and a cold milk.
Now, let's take a look at today's holidays.
Let's take a quick glance at your top 5 news stories of the day.
Hi, I'm Dylan and here are today's top 5 news stories. Cat found in checked luggage at JFK Airport. Owner said it wanted to chase a big mouse running around Disney World. Manhattan Airport will suspend air traffic for 3 months this summer for major runway repairs. New York City is ramping up its hiring of people to help exterminate the rat population. A Kansas City woman was bitten after a cat she picked up turned out to be a bobcat kitten. The University of Colorado has announced Deion Sanders as their next head football coach.
Here's our word of the week.
This week's word of the week is proficient. Competent or skilled in doing or using something.
Next, a finals dress-up announcement.
Now, what finals are you most worried about?
Calculus final because it is hard.
Bound is pre-calc because it's really hard and I'm not good at a lot of it.
Biology, math, stats and college algebra.
Same.
And Kennedy, what final are you most worried about?
I don't have any.
Thanks.
Now, an NHS announcement.
What are the requirements to join the Valley Center High School National Honor Society? Who is eligible? Current VCHS sophomores, juniors, and seniors who demonstrate exemplary scholarship, service leadership, and character, and have a cumulative GPA of a 3.0 or higher. Applications can be picked up in Miss Layton's room, C43. All applications are due no later than 3 p.m. on Tuesday, December 13th.
Coming up, we asked some students what grinds their gears.
You know what really grinds my gears?
Hey guys, what really grinds my gears is we don't have any busboys or anything in the cafe, so it's just myself, Rosa, and Brad that clean up. And so just really in a nutshell, just clean up after yourselves. That's really about it.
Next up, character guessing with me. Again, I always don't know what to say when we start, so I guess we're just going to start. Here we have a contestant whose name is, they're going to tell you their name.
Gracie.
There you have it. She's doing easy mode. First easy character.
Looks like a kid. I don't know.
Okay, yeah. Child. Well. Yeah. Yeah. It's Frodo. Frodo is it? Is it Frodo? Yeah. I don't know their last name. That doesn't even matter. All right. Second easy character.
I don't know.
Think of an explorer movie from before our.
Indiana Jones?
Yes. Yeah. That should be in baby mode. I want that to be stated on the record. You heard it right here, right now. You heard it. Should be baby mode. I forget. Did you say who they were?
Yeah, Loki.
Okay, yeah. It's Loki. I forgore. All right. Appreciate you.
Make sure to go to today's basketball game and wear neon. Next, a band fundraiser announcement.
Let's head on over to weather.
Hi, I'm Jasmine Conway, and today's high will be 51 and the low will be 37.
Now for a quick blast to the past. Let's wrap up with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.